Vechain is one of the coins that I believe is going to give us more than a 10x gain in this bull market, and on today's video I will be discussing my long-term price prediction analysis and above all give you my short-term price prediction analysis. And starting the video here on the daily chart, you can see that last year we got our bear market lows, and after getting the bear market lows we started a very nice bounce to the upside in a move that gave us a high this year above the 0.05506 in a move that I'm terming as an 𝗕𝗖𝗄𝗣 count 1. And after we picked in that 𝗕𝗖𝗄𝗣 count 1, I started to expect a corrective structure in the formation of a larger 𝗕𝗖𝗄𝗣 count 2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted here on the charts using this blue target area. And this is an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the bear market lows to the high of that 𝗕𝗖𝗄𝗣 count 1 in a move that gave me a minimum pullback target area for the second wave between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, and that perfectly lies between the 0.03416 and the 0.02227, which is an area that we have now fully maximized. And there are high chances that we now have a low in place for this 𝗕𝗖𝗄𝗣 count 2, and in the next coming months or maybe weeks, Vechain is going to start a very impulsive 𝗕𝗖𝗄𝗣 count 3 to the upside, whose minimum target areas can be given using the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the bear market lows to the high for that 𝗕𝗖𝗄𝗣 count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that perfectly lies between the 0.08644. And based on the current prices that we have at the moment, if we manage to hit that minimum target area, then Vechain will be able to give us more than a 5x gain to the upside. Then from that point we can expect a bit of a short-term pullback in an 𝗕𝗖𝗄𝗣 count 4, then continue gearing up even higher in this 𝗕𝗖𝗄𝗣 count 5 in a move that should easily get us back above the $0.1 in the next coming weeks. And the moment you manage to break above the $0.1, then I will continue expecting even higher prices to give us more than a 10x once the bull market is back. And that is my long-term price prediction analysis. Jumping to the 1 hour chart to now give you my short-term price prediction analysis, still basing it on the 𝗕𝗖𝗄𝗣 structures. Here on the 1 hour chart, you can see that after getting a massive breakdown move on the 5th of August, we started a very nice bounce to the upside, where we first picked in this 𝗕𝗖𝗄𝗣 count 1. And after we picked in that 𝗕𝗖𝗄𝗣 count 1, we saw a bit of a breakdown move in an 𝗕𝗖𝗄𝗣 count 2 into the minimum target areas for the second wave, highlighted on the charts using this blue target area, an area that you have now fully maximized. And there are high chances that whatever is playing out at the moment is the start of an impulsive 𝗕𝗖𝗄𝗣 count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that 𝗕𝗖𝗄𝗣 count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies above the 0.03. And for that to play out, we first need to see Vechain continue to hold above significant key areas of support. And the first area of support that we need to continue holding lies above the 0.02495. And at the time of this recording, we are now losing that significant key area of support. We have also lost the 20-day MA here on the 1 hour chart, suggesting that there are chances that in the next coming hours, we are going to see a bit of a short-term pullback before we can continue bouncing back, breaking through significant key areas of resistances until we fully maximize our minimum target area to the upside in this 𝗕𝗖𝗄𝗣 count 3 above the $0.03 in the next coming hours. So in case of any pullbacks, using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the low of the second wave to the high that we have at the moment in this 𝗕𝗖𝗄𝗣 count 3, we need to watch out for the golden pocket over here, which perfectly lies between the 0.0239 and the 0.02331, which is the area over here. This target area needs to continue holding as support for me to continue expecting higher prices in a bounce back that can easily get us back above the 0.03. So that is the price action that I'm expecting on the short term and also on the long term. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you on the next one.